Hello. Today I will show you how to remove and replace damaged and old Earpads cushion for Sony MDR XB550 wired extra bass headphones with microphone. With this tutorial, you will save time and money without buying new headphones. The existing pads are glued on. You can remove them just by tearing them off. As you can see, they are so old they are falling apart. Once you've torn off the two old earpad cups, remove the plastic rings. They may come in handy. Remove the glue tape, at least the part that may interfere with the new earpads. To replace the old earpad cushions, there are two options. Measure the diameter of the existing earpads, which here is 70 mm, and order on Aliexpress or Amazon earpads replacement of that size. The other option is to order earpads specifically designed for the Sony MDR XB550 headphones. As I don't want to wait for delivery for a few weeks, I found two new pairs of 70 mm leather earpads in home. We will choose the thicker earpads for the replacement. Hopefully they will last longer. As you can see, the old Sony earpads are of a slightly different design, but that won't stop the headphones from being used. To fit the new earpads, you need to insert the plastic rings that you removed earlier. You just need to stick the new earpads on with some flexible glue or double-sided tape. Here's the result. Like new? If you want even better, you should order the earpad cushion for the Sony MDR XB550 headphones. Links to purchase earpads will be in the video description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video to see other good videos. In the next video I will show you how to disassemble these Sony headphones and replace a defective 3.5 mm plug with microphone. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Thanks and good luck.